Hey, what's going on? This is James with Backyard Smoke, and today we're going to be seasoning our brand new Weber Master Touch. Full disclaimer, Weber says you do not have to season their grates because of the porcelain enamel that's on them. However, I do recommend seasoning them. Reason being, it gets off the dust, the grime, some of the oils and things of that nature that are coming straight out the factory. Not to mention, this is 2020 when I'm recording this, and we are in the midst of a global pandemic of coronavirus or COVID-19. And we don't know whose hands been where. And the last thing I would like you or anyone else to do is, myself included, is to cook on a brand new grill that is not fully cleaned and sanitized. I'm going to show you my simple process that I usually use to get my grate started and get the grills clean. All you're going to need is some type of oil. I prefer extra virgin olive oil, but you could use almond oil, grapeseed oil, canola oil, a paper towel, and some charcoal. I'm going to use just some regular old charcoal from the grocery store because I refuse to use my good stuff for a quick burn and no cook. I'm also going to throw a mesquite piece of chunk on there just to keep the flavors going and get things going. So thank you guys for watching. Feel free to sit back. We're going to go ahead and get started.